Morning children, I hope you all are safe at your home. So in the previous class we have completed our lesson teeth and microbes. So today we are going to do the textbook part of this lesson. So take out the textbook page number 20. So what is the first bit here? Tick the correct answer. So we have to tick the correct answer. In these options, which one is the correct? We have to tick that. So what is the first question? The four chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are canines, incisors, molars, premolars. So what are the four chisel shaped teeth? That are incisors. We use these teeth to tear pieces of food. Incisors, canines, molars, premolars. So which teeth you will use to tear the food? Canines. Answer is B. Next, third one. Which of the following is used to clean between two teeth? Dental floss, toothbrush, toothpaste, nutcracker. So what you will use? Dental floss. To clean the dental floss is used to clean the plaque which is present in between two teeth. So what is the fourth one? The number of grinding teeth in each jaw. So how many number of grinding teeth are there? So grinding teeth are also called as molars. No? How many molars are present in each jaw? 6. How many? 6. What is the fifth one? Tooth decay causes thirst, bad breath, hunger, itching. What tooth decay causes? Tooth decay causes a bad breath. Next, B bit. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. So in the brackets they have given two answers. So we have to pick the correct answer and we should write to in the given blank. So what is the first one? Eating too many dash causes tooth decay. Sweets or fruits? Yes, sweets. Write the answer here. SWEETS. Sweets. Next, disease causing microbes are called germs, microorganisms. What is the answer? Germs. GERMS. Disease causing microbes are called germs. Pneumonia and typhoid are caused by dash. Bacteria or virus? Bacteria. 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 Next, dash are used to make bread soft. Yeast, germs. Which one you will use? Yeast. 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 Next, fungi grows on decaying matter and cause diseases like ringworm and dash. Which diseases fungi will cause? Athlete's foot or chicken pox? What is the answer? Athlete's foot. ATHLETESFOOT. Foot. Athlete's foot. So this is for the today's session. And write this textbook work in your textbooks. Thank you.